Today we'll dive into an exciting topic, clustering algorithms. These algorithms are essential for grouping data points based on similarities, helping us uncover hidden patterns in datasets. K-means is best suited for quickly clustering large datasets with a predefined number of clusters. For example, when we need to segmenting customers into 3 distinct groups based on purchasing behavior. Hierarchical clustering is useful for analyzing the structure of data, especially when the number of clusters is unknown. For example, it could be a visualization of the relationships between different species in a biological study. Now that we understand the differences between K-means and hierarchical clustering, let's dive deeper into how K-means works in practice. In this example, we first import the necessary libraries. We create synthetic data using NP-random, generating 100 points with 2 features. Next, we initialize the K-means algorithm by specifying the number of clusters, K is 3, and fit it to our data using K-means fit. The labels variable contains the cluster assignments for each data point, while centroid stores the coordinates of the cluster centers. Finally, we visualize the clusters using a scatter plot, where each point is colored according to its cluster label, and the red X marks indicate the centroids of the clusters. Hierarchical clustering builds a hierarchy of clusters, visualized as a dendrogram. This method can be agglomerative or divisive, offering flexibility in how clusters are formed. It provides insights into the relationships between data points. We implement agglomerative hierarchical clustering using scikit-learn. Here, we start by importing agglomerative clustering and dendrogram from the relevant libraries. We again apply the clustering algorithm on our synthetic data, specifying n clusters is 3. The hierarchical labels contains the cluster labels assigned to each data point. To visualize the clusters, we create a dendrogram using the linkage function, which computes the hierarchical clustering. The dendrogram illustrates how the clusters are formed and the distances between them, helping us understand the relationships between different data points. Clustering algorithms like K-means and hierarchical clustering are powerful tools in data science. They enable us to discover patterns and make sense of complex datasets, enhancing our ability to analyze and interpret data effectively. In our next session, we will explore model evaluation metrics, essential for assessing the performance of machine learning models. Get ready to learn how to measure accuracy, precision, recall, and more, enhancing your data science skills.